G'day, Josh from In Yard Homestead. Well, today I've got a new project going and got some friends to help me out, and I'm putting up a new greenhouse. So we've already sort of started laying everything out, and yeah, it was actually my friend that reminded me to start filming. I'm getting a bit too excited. Get it up. It's 6 meters long by 3 meters wide and about 2 meters high. So there's the duck pen we built last time, so you know roughly where it's going. So the framework's done. Now we're just going to reinforce it and peg it in using some star pickets so it's not going to blow away. So now it's all been pulled over the frame. There is some little ties inside. So open up this door, or one part of it. So here we go. There's just some bit of tie down so we can tie onto the framework so the plastic doesn't fly off the frame. So I'll get that all tied up, and along the bottom has to be dug in a little bit. They haven't really actually given you much room to work with. Wow, the heat's already coming into this too. That's great. And you can see there's a whole heap of little windows, so if it gets too hot you can regulate the temperature by opening up those. And you've got the doorway there, doorway here that you can open up, more windows on the other side. So I'll get all this tied down. So there's just on the ends by the looks of it. And then, yeah, do the bit outside, and then I'll show you the finished result. The greenhouse is now up. So I'm ready to put the retic in now, which I'll do in another time. But yeah, it's all finished now, and it's already getting quite warm in there. So it's just got like a zip sort of set up. I haven't buried this corner in yet because the retic pipe's got to go under there. But all the edges are buried in around. But yeah, it's quite warm in here already. Well, it's all finished now except for the reticulation. And once I get that in, I can start getting the soil right and getting some plants in. So it'll be interesting to see what I can get growing this time of year that normally we wouldn't be able to grow, but with the extra heat from the greenhouse will help it all go. So it'll be yeah, quite exciting to see what I can grow out of season. And never know, like if you get cooler years, some years this will help. Yeah, this will help grow stuff when I can't grow it outside, and I'll be able to get seedlings started a lot quicker as well, and to be able to plant them out when the time's right and get the garden really cranking on quickly. So yeah, I'm glad it's up, and I'm going to get out of here now because it's getting quite warm. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, get going, get growing, and God bless you guys.